to sign this, we probably should have signed it last week when we put the dark on top, but that was too early to sign. So what you can do is cheat a little bit. So I've got this patch here of dark, but I don't really want that. In here, even though the photo, it shows it dark in that corner there, who cares? We can do what we like. So I might go in with a little bit of this blue colour, and I'm going to put this sort of darker colour down here. Blend it into the corner here and blend it up into this. And now with any luck, I might be able to scratch out my signature. You might be able to read it. Let's have a look. Where's my Hooters signature tool? Because I've got a contrast between the lighter colour and the dark that's underneath. So no one's ever going to know that there wasn't that light in the corner. I did it really bodgily in my last painting. It's actually got a bit of muck on there. But I even used the wrong colour in that corner. But that's okay.